Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your HUAWEI MateBook 16s. So in order to do this, we'll need to click on the start icon, then move on to the settings, find advanced startup, options, and right here go for advanced startup and restart now. Your laptop should restart and have different launch options. Now in here we want to go for a troubleshoot, reset this PC. Here you can choose different options to keep your files, remove apps and settings, but keeps all your personal files. I'm going with that one. You can also, how would you like to reinstall your Windows? If your connection is metered, charges may apply. Cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. So you can locally reinstall your Windows or use a cloud download. I'm going with local. Now is the final step, and make sure that you want to do this, as it will change the settings back to the default. You will keep your personal files because I used that preset which I mentioned in the beginning. You can reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. So all of this will happen if we click on reset. Now let's click on it, and your device should start resetting. Now you can plug in the charger so that it doesn't turn off, and this will take a few minutes or even half an hour or hour. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.